Hey, Nathan, how are you?
Pleasure to meet you. I'm good. How are you?
Oh, I like your hat.
You like the Astros, huh?
Oh, no, love.
You love the Astros. This might take a little while. Okay, it was a little while.
It's open already?
Yeah, it took a little while.
Shut up. Yeah.
You want a spare key?
Hell to the yes.
Okay. But we can still program it.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It's got a transponder in here. See that little chip there? Okay. Thank you.
You can probably go home today.
Well, I will. All right, y'all.
5-star rating.
Thank you very much. All right.